I always tell people this is why I do what I do. It's about the one patient that did incredibly well and has seen their kid graduate or got to spend 3 extra years with their grandkids, and that's like what drives me to find the next set of therapies. I really fell in love with oncology. It's one of the most rewarding but emotionally grueling professions that there are. You love it for the highs and you learn to build walls for yourself for the lows, honestly. When I was practicing, I spent my whole life at the bedside, one patient at a time, trying to help them. And the tools we had were marginal at best many times. So I chose to push my career in a direction of finding new therapies, and that is how I kind of moved into more of a research role, which eventually led me to J&J, where I feel like I can have an incredibly broad impact.
I consider Jeff to be one of my mentors. His drive to find the right drug for the right patient in the right situation is incredible.
I lead a team of physicians and scientists, and we call ourselves Early Development Oncology. We're coordinating that whole first-time patient doses all the way through the development of a molecule. When I started in 2017, we had 7 drugs, and right now we're up to 20 or more new oncology drugs in development. Putting together a new treatment that can change the way doctors practice is really rewarding, honestly. One of my favorite stories was a lady who just wanted to get to her daughter's high school graduation, but she had advanced cancer and the odds were not in her favor. And fortunately, she was able to get on a therapy and it worked. She watched her daughter get the valedictorian address, and she continued to do well. When that stuff happens, if we can do it on a greater scale, that's really cool. We're finding new therapies to help people because I know what it's like to be a father and a husband, and there's other families out there that need these treatments. It is exciting, it can be incredibly frustrating, but when you do come up with a solution that makes it incredibly hard for the cancer to get around, it's amazing.